Open the Safari web browser on your dock. The icon is a blue compass. Click on the URL bar at the top of the opened window. Enter the URL shown on screen into the search bar. The URL must be entered exactly as shown or you will see a different page. If you see this page, click Show Details. Now click the underlined visit in the bottom right. Click Visit Website again. Enter your user ID found on your student bootcamp sheet and your password. Tick the Keep Me Signed In box, then click Sign In. You can click Save Password. Scroll down on the Managed Software Center page until you see blue text. Click the blue text to open the download page. On the opened page, click the blue download button. This may take a moment to open and download, so be patient. Click Download Anyway. Then click Allow. Open the Downloads folder from your dock by clicking Open in Finder. Double-click the downloaded DMG file, or right-click Open, to open a small window. Double-click the box icon, or right-click Open. In the small window that appears, click Done. Do not click Move to Bin. Now open System Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Open Anyway. In the small window, click Open Anyway again. Enter your laptop password and click OK. Click Install and enter your laptop password again. Once the installer opens, click Continue. Now click Install and enter your laptop password. The install process will take a couple of minutes. You can ignore the pop-up messages on the right for now. Click Restart, and then click Move to Bin. When your laptop restarts, don't immediately try to sign in as a pop-up window may appear. When the pop-up window disappears, sign into your school user account and wait a few moments for everyone to catch up. You can close the notifications in the top right by clicking the X on them. In the menu bar, click Go, then in the drop-down menu, click Applications. Scroll down until you see the Managed Software Center application. Double-click it to open. Close the notification and then click Check again, or check for updates. This step may take a few minutes due to everyone doing it at once. Once it has found updates, they will be pending until we click Update All. Make sure you click Update All. Close the notifications in the top right again. We now need to sign into Zscaler. Enter the following email extension, it is different from your school email. Now enter your user ID and password on your bootcamp student sheet. You can save your password. Click Always Allow. The Zscaler window will disappear, it has went to the menu bar. It may disappear, it will be doing an update, but it will reappear. Click the cloud icon on the menu bar, then click Open, to open Zscaler. You should see on in green writing if everything is working correctly. On your keyboard press the Command key and the spacebar at the same time to open the Spotlight search. Type in Keychain Access, then press Enter, or click the application listed. Make sure you click Open Keychain Access, not Passwords. Type in your laptop password and click OK. On the left, click System. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and look for the Zscaler certificate with a red X on it. Right-click the certificate and click Get Info. In the pop-up window, click the small arrow next to Trust. Click the box that says Use System Defaults, and in the drop-down menu, click Always Trust. It should say Always Trust for each drop-down box now. Click the red dot in the top left of the small window, then type in your laptop password and click Update Settings. If the certificate has a blue plus on it, you can close the keychain access window. We can close Zscaler, it runs in the menu bar. And we can quit Safari.